everyone. We're here at Disney's California Adventure and we're here for Oogie Boogie Bash, which is Disney's Halloween party that takes place every year. We got a little bag for our candy. We're gonna go ride some rides. We're gonna meet some characters because they got some exclusive villains that come out at night.
We're gonna eat some food.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some food. We're gonna get some drinks. So come along with us on our night of fun.
Let's see what food we get into.
We're gonna get scared.
We're gonna get spooky.
Ah!
Asada fries. The salsa is good. Spicier than your regular verde sauce for sure.
Yeah.
And the guacamole doesn't taste fake.
Yeah, no, it's like
It looks
legit.
fake. It's real avocado, people.
It's just like creamier than usual.
And the asada has good flavor. It is a little smoky, and then the cilantro is always good on it as well. Just a little quick hit. I love these fries for the shape. Really cool shaped fries.
Where'd you get it from?
What's it called? World's Best Wieners or something?
No, Award Wieners.
Oh. Shout out to Award Wieners.
Hi, Oogie!
You're hopeless! You're hopeless!
Okay.
Does that sound harsh? God!
So Oogie Boogie Bash started about 30 minutes ago. It starts at 6, so it's 6:30 now. We decided to start the night off with a little seltzer. I got it from Flo's VA Cafe and it's called a sangria seltzer. Let's try it. It's good. And it's 10% alcohol, so RIP to me. Yum. Cheers. So this drink has like a super fruity flavor, obviously from the sangria, but you get that carbonated with the seltzer, so it's a good combination together. Okay, so next we gotta hit up some rides. I think we're gonna go to Guardians, because they have a monster overlay for Oogie Boogie, so it should be cool.
What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait! Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found this tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arm, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
We're meeting King Mickey, aka the Big Cheese of Disneyland. He's dressed as Sora from Kingdom Hearts, this video game me and Joseph play. We're in a very long line, but it'll be worth it.
Look back and give a chow. Ramon!
Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there and do us proud.
Let's go then! Let's go! didn't eat a lot at DCA, so you know we had to go get churros in downtown Disney. I of course got the Fruity Pebble, which is the goat of all the churros here. That or the Oreo, but Fruity Pebble will always be my number one. Downtown Disney always has the better churros because they have all the flavors. Highly recommend to get your churros in downtown Disney rather than the parks. Okay?
Okay.
Tastes like a Fruity Pebble, just as it should.
Perfect. I also got a churro from downtown Disney, but I just got a plain one because that's the OG and I love it. So it's great. Never fails me.
Not as good as a Fruity Pebble. This is Pizza Hut pizza, as you can see.
The Krusty Krab
No, I'm just kidding. This is from Nepolini Pizzaria. California pizza, but I added mushrooms. So it has barbecue chicken, onions, barbecue sauce, smoked mozz, and
Smells very good.
I think cilantro maybe? I don't know. I think it is. I've had this place before, and it's super fire. Especially if you add mushrooms.
Very delicious.
Dough is super good. Perfect texture dough. Enhance it with some ranch. That cheese is prime too. That smoked mozz.
Okay, I'm gonna do the tip. I need track back over. Thank you.
Gotta hit this place up after Disneyland every time. You won't be disappointed. Skip Pizza Port and get Nepolini's Pizzaria. Alright, last piece of the personal pie. Out of all the wood-fired pizza I've had, this is one of the goats for sure. Especially after walking like 20,000-30,000 steps at DCA or Disneyland, following Gabby around. I need this. And a second churro. This one's just original, but that's for later.
Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us on our first Oogie Boogie Bash. It was a lot of fun. We saw a lot of cool things. We met Oogie Boogie. It was amazing. And Mickey. Kingdom Hearts Mickey was a lot of fun. You saw a lot of great characters I usually don't see. You got to see a really fun parade. You got to ride all the rides you wanted because the lines were so short and it was just a great time. Thanks for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, subscribe, and that bell notification to get notified anytime we post. See ya!
That's right, it's me, Oogie Boogie, and I'm here to welcome you to a bright